Hello besties, I'm back at again with another video. So today's video is going to be Sephora haul. I ordered this when they were having a spring sale event, and I'm supposed to do this last week, but I got tied up and busy, so I got the Sephora box, been sitting here, and also I went to Sephora last week or two to pick up more. So I'm excited to do this haul so I can use this products that I got from the Sephora sale. So anyways, I think, well, I am a Rogue member at Sephora, so I got at least 20% discount, which is really good. Especially I did a lot of restock on like my hair care products from Olaplex. But anyways, let's just start. Got this little package here, and I want to try some new products from Sephora as well. Okay, so let's just start with new ones that I want to try from Sephora. Is this Necessaire. This is the body wash from this brand right here, and they have like one or I think 3 different scent. And I believe this is this is the sandalwood, they have eucalyptus, and they have the one without the scent. So I picked this up because I heard a lot of good stuff about this body wash right here from this brand particularly. Right here, I love the packaging. Okay, next one we got here is a restock. This is their hyaluronic acid. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is another restock. I use this on a daily. I freaking love this product from the Inculus. And the Inculus, for some reason, they're the most affordable skincare out there in Sephora. This, I believe this is like $7. So yeah, this is another restock because I'm running low on my acid, especially this one right here. And don't worry, all the products that I mentioned in today's video will be on my description box. I'm gonna leave the link on my description box. Okay, so the next one is, I've been seeing a lot of this product on TikTok and also on the beauty industry on YouTube, and I want to try this out. This is really like not new, it's been for a while, and it's just, like it's hyped up. So I want to try this Hollywood Flawless Filter. So this is not like a foundation. This is more likely like you put this before you put foundation, and it will give you like a nice glow, especially spring and summer. Like I want to be able to, like when I'm gonna do my makeup, like naturally looking makeup, like glowy naturally makeup, I want to do that type of makeup when it's summertime, because I don't want to cake up when it's summertime. It gets like the makeup is just too thick. But yeah, this is in 4.5 medium, so I just got the little size because I'm not sure, like I don't want to commit into like a bigger size, and they're a little bit expensive. So I'm just, what, let me just try the small size. So this one right here is a good amount of size. I love the packaging. I really love the packaging. So yeah, hopefully this will be great. I'm gonna test this out tomorrow, and hopefully this will turn out good. So I'm just gonna put that there. And then the next one in here is from the brand Glow Recipe. I love the brand Glow Recipe. I love their toner that I been using, and I purchased for a couple, like I think I purchased this toner, their toner, I would say been a month or 2 now, and I love it. I use this on every morning. So I heard a lot of good stuff about this as well, which is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So hopefully this is good, because I am really how do you call this, I have been into like skincare lately. I try not to purchase a lot of makeup because I still have so much makeup. But the also good thing about me is, like, if I have a makeup, I'm lucky that I have like sisters and like girlfriends, because if I don't like makeup, if I don't like the makeup anymore, or I don't wear them anymore, or I don't use them anymore, I am just, I give it away so it doesn't, go to waste. So that's, I don't know, that's just me. So but lately I've been into like skincare because I wanna like a glowy skin. So yeah, hopefully this is good. I do have a regular niacinamide, but that's from the brand Ordinary. Oh my goodness, this packaging. I love, oh my god, look at their packaging. I really love their packaging. And this is what they look like. There. I love the packaging. Okay, why is it too bright? Focus. Yeah, I love the freaking packaging. Okay, so hopefully this works wonder as the toner. Okay, so that's what it looks like, the packaging. Love it. Okay, so the next one in here is, I don't know what it's together, another toner, which is, I just got the sample size because everybody on TikTok, Instagram, like the old people, like dermatologists, like is talking about this Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid in it. So it's basically like a toner. So I got the sample size, not sample size, but I got this small size. Since I do still have the big bottle of the toner from Glow Recipe, I don't want to purchase another big bottle if I, you know, if my skin ended up hating it, because my skin is really sensitive. I hate the skin, like it's so sensitive. So anyways, I want to try this and hopefully this will work on my skin, because I still have, I'm working on like hyperpigmentation and like acne marks. I'm trying to clear that up, so hopefully this will work. So I just got the sample size, and if I finish the sample size or this size, and if it works on my skin, if it adjusts on my skin, I might, you know, purchase the bigger size of the Paula's Choice. Love this. I love the packaging, little packaging. And then another one, this is new from Olaplex. So this is their number 8. This is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask from Olaplex. If you guys know me, if you've been watching me, I freaking love Olaplex as a brand, and I love their products, and I've been using Olaplex ever since. I tried to, you know, colored my hair for the salon. Like this hair, I haven't washed for like, I would say, running to 5 days now, and look how freaking good it is. Like it's still pretty good, and I think I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. But yeah, I freaking love like Olaplex, and I've been using them. So this is their new product, like I said, and I want to try this. Hopefully it's good. They came with this moisture mask, so it says moisturize, smooth, adds body and shine, and it says all hair types. So this is what they look like. I love the packaging as well. The only thing about Olaplex is they're a little bit expensive, but they work. Like they work, in my opinion, they work. All right, speaking of Olaplex and hair stuff, I have more from Olaplex. Okay, this is another restock because I love their conditioner, and they actually last because they're really thick. And I tried to use conditioner, just like one, literally like one squeeze of this one, and it works wonder. So this is their number 5 conditioner. I love this conditioner. It's very thick, but it just like lather up on my hair really good. And then another restock, which is their number 3. I also love this one right here. This is the repair and strengthen your hair. Also all hair types right there. Another one from Olaplex, which is the last one, is their number 0. So this I use, so I have like a thick hair. Ever since they came out with the number 0, I think I would say this is my 5th bottle, 5th or 6th bottle. I try to keep the bottle, but yeah, this is yeah, like I said, 6, I think, if I remember. I think this is my 6th bottle. So I use this, I would say, in 1 month. I try to use this at least twice a month, because this is very expensive, and you have to saturate your hair, and you got to make sure it's like, you know, all nice and saturated when using this product. And like I said, I have a thick hair, so like for my hair to be saturated, I literally use at least almost half of the bottle, which is a little bit expensive. So that's why I just try to use this once a month or twice a month using this. But this is honestly really good, especially if you colored your hair, and especially if you go to the salon, you know, once in a while. So yeah, this is really good for you as well. So this is the number 0. I also highly recommend to my my hairstylist highly recommend Olaplex product. Okay, so last but not the least on this box right here is this Milk Makeup Primer. I freaking love Milk Makeup Primer, and I know I repurchased another one of this primer, but I love how, look, I'm low, like I'm really low on my primer, and I freaking love Milk Makeup. So this is another of my repurchase, and yeah, I just love this primer. It honestly works on my, it works when I was in last winter, like a little bit like normally dry. It works well, and it works when I have like an oily skin. It honestly works. I don't know, for some reason this just works for me. It says this is the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup, and I also love their packaging. I freaking love their packaging from Milk. Love it. So like I said, don't worry, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below just if you guys are interested in any of these products that I mentioned today. Okay, last in this little paper bag is this Bum Bum Crush. This is the Brazilian Crush spray. I believe this is like a body spray, and I smelled it on Sephora. It smells freaking amazing. For some reason it smells like vacation, like it smells vacation-y vibes. So yeah, this is the Brazilian Crush from how do you call it, what's the name of this brand again? Sol de Janeiro. Yeah, this is that's the name of the brand. So I got this one right here, and then I got this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Is that how you like pronounce it? So I already tested this out before when I used to have like a BoxyCharm subscription. They sent this like little like tiny cream, and then I fell in love because they smell freaking amazing. This one is a little bit expensive, but they smell really good, and a lot of people said they will last, and yes, I agree with them, because they will literally last in your skin like for like hours and hours, because I've tried this before, and I even tried the green one. I forgot what's the name of it, but yeah, they have the green color as well. So yeah, I love this, and thank God they were having sale, because I got like, you know, I saved a couple of dollars, like money, purchasing all of these products. So yeah, I'm excited to, you know, try this again. And they also have like a bigger, which is, I believe that's like $45. This one I believe is in like 20 something dollars. But yeah, they have like the bigger one, the bigger version, which is, I should have probably got that instead of this one right here. But anyways, that's it for this Sephora. Yeah, I think that's it. But like I said, don't worry, because all of the products that I mentioned today will be in my description box below. I'll leave the link there so you guys can, you know, shop. So yes, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys love this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.